Good morning, guys. Sorry I can't be there today. So Miss Tykert's probably already explained this, but just one more time so you guys know what you need to do. You are going to be working on graphing your data today. So yesterday, you guys should have completed your percent hatch number 1, questions 2, 3, and 4. I will provide Miss Tykert an answer key to this. So if you want to check your work, she can do that for you, okay? What you're going to be working on today is this graph, okay? So yesterday I also provided to you guys one of these little half sheets. Sorry if you can't see it. There we go. One of these half sheets. If you have not, or if you lost yours, I will also have extras with Miss Tykert for you to grab, okay? So when we are doing our graph, the only number we really care about is that calculated one that you guys did yesterday. So that is this row, or sorry, this column and this column. Okay, those two columns, your percent hatched for 24 hours and your percent hatched for 48. Sorry, this is a little backwards. I understand that can be challenging, but your percent hatched 24, percent hatched after 48. I'm going to go through the numbers so you can double check your calculations. So, starting with 24 hours, you should have 4.3%, 7.4%, 0, and 0. For 48 hours now, jumping over to that last column, you should have 21.7 hatched, 55.5, 36.6, and 9%. Okay, so rewatch this portion while you fill in your answers or make any adjustments that you need, or that you guys need to. Okay, when it comes to our graph, there is a formula that we like to use in biology that just makes everything so much easier. Your max minus minimum divided by number of lines. Okay, so here it is for you. Again, I know it's backwards. Max minus minimum. Sorry, that's minimum. That might help you. Max minus min divided by number of lines. What I mean by that is when looking at your data, okay, we're doing the y-axis. So on your graph, you're putting percent hatched on your y. That's coming from the directions up top, percent hatched. You want to find your max percentage that we calculated. What's your max percentage that you calculated? The highest number that you calculated. Okay? That's your max. Minus, so subtraction from your minimum. What's the lowest number that you calculated? Okay? Divided by the number of lines. So, that's your y-axis. How many lines are on your y-axis? So again, I'm just going to repeat it one more time. Find that max number from your percent hatch calculations that I just went over and is on that half sheet. Minus minimum, the lowest number, divided by the number of lines going up on your y-axis. You're going to get a number, your answer, and you are going to round up. Okay, so whatever you get, max minus minimum equals, divided by number of lines equals, you get your answer, round up, okay, to that next whole number. All right, if you have questions, Ms. Tykert is an expert in biology, and she is very good at helping you. You are going to have 4 lines on your graph. Okay, 4 lines on your graph. 1 for 0% salt, 1 for 2.5 salt, 1 for 5, and 1 for 10. Okay, so 4 total lines on your graph. Again, ask Ms. Tykert for help. We will be turning in this graph today at the end of class period. So put it in that turn-in bin for Ms. Tykert, or if she has somewhere else she wants you to put it, feel free to do that. Okay? Have a great day, guys. See you on Wednesday.